Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, a lawyer to the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has faulted media reports which indicated that the British government has banned members of the IPOB from seeking asylum in the United Kingdom. The media, OsazuwaAkonedo not included, had reported that the British government took the decision following recent happenings in the southeast states, which the UK recognized the IPOB and other pro-Biafra groups as terrorists who have committed human rights violations owing to the killings and other destruction of properties by unknown gunmen in the region. Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, in a press release made available few minutes ago, described the media reports as malicious and a sponsored false narrative orchestrated by mischief makers. Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor also said he would write directly to the British government to get more clarification on the government newly updated policy for asylum seekers as it concerns IPOB. Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor said, "Clarification on the wrong narrative making the rounds over the purported designation of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, as a terrorist organization by the United Kingdom. In view of the obvious sponsored false narrative ostensibly orchestrated by mischief makers, the facts needs to be set right. Following the UK government's update via the UKV, which is clear and unambiguous in every respect, the direction contained in the referenced update is that the indigenous people of Biafra's, IPOB, affiliated applicants seeking for asylum status in the UK, should not be considered on the merit of such claims without thorough review of their level of involvement in uncivil activities. Obviously making reference to the proscription of IPOB in Nigeria, and relying on such subjudicial subject, to insist that the granting of asylum status on the basis of IPOB-related persecution claims, can no longer be as a matter of course. It is pertinent to point out that the leadership of the IPOB have severally distanced the peaceful movement from the increasing violent activities of some blood-sucking monsters going on in the southeast under the name of unknown gunmen, and in most cases, offered to join in the fight against these monsters. The leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra has never supported the nefarious activities of these enemies of our people, neither have they, in any of their publications, approved such inhuman and barbaric activities of the unknown gunmen. Moreover, the UK government needs to be aware that the proscription status of the IPOB is a subject matter before the Court of Appeal, currently pending before the Court of Appeal, Abuja Division in Appeal Number CA/A/214/2018 between IPOB versus Attorney General of the Federation, now coming up on the 12th day of October, 2022 for definite hearing. Therefore, all foreign governments are persuaded not to rely on largely fabricated publications on the pages of Nigerian newspapers in arriving at such far-reaching decision, which is capable of endangering millions of innocent lives who are being persecuted in Nigeria for being members of the IPOB. In the coming days, the IPOB legal team will make formal representation to the UK government on this subject via the British High Commission in Nigeria, accompanied with verifiable facts and evidence, to persuade the UK government to review their recent position. For clarity, the government of the United Kingdom have not designated the IPOB as a terrorist organization, rather, reference was made to the proscription of the organization in Nigeria, and also the heinous crimes being perpetrated by some dissidents in the southeast, which said crimes are totally condemnable and have nothing whatsoever to do with the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, which is a peaceful, non-violent self-determination group. The indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, remains a lawful and peaceful movement. Thank you all and remain hugely blessed.